Are you searching for professional driveway paving in Connecticut? At VP Asphalt Paving, we've been perfecting our craft for over 35 years. Based right here in Waterbury, Connecticut, our family-owned business is proud to deliver smooth, well-constructed driveways for homes and businesses across the state. Our Connecticut driveway paving services are designed for quality and built to last. We handle everything from proper grading and gravel base preparation to expert asphalt application, always providing a flawless finish on every residential or commercial project we take on. We proudly serve communities across Litchfield, Fairfield, New Haven, and Hartford counties. Whether it's a driveway in Cheshire, parking lot repairs in Torrington, or driveway seal coating in Southbury, our team of paving experts bring professional results to every project. Do you have cracks or worn-out asphalt? Don't wait! We also offer repairs and crack filling to protect your driveway from weather, chemicals, and daily wear. Our goal is to make your asphalt look and perform like new. At VP Asphalt Paving, customer satisfaction is our priority. With honest quotes, timely service, and professional workmanship, we make the Connecticut driveway paving process easy for you. Call us today at 203-819-7414 or visit our website at vpasphaltpaving.com for a free written estimate. Let VP Asphalt Paving handle all your driveway paving Connecticut needs. With our trusted paving contractors, your driveway and parking lot area will stand the test of time.